What's going on, everybody? It's me, your favorite Band-Aid, your only Band-Aid. We are going to be building more Lego. In today's episode, we are going to be building video game locations out of Lego. Alright? I had two games in mind for this, Payday 2 and Grand Theft Auto 5. So I'm thinking we should scout out the location. For my first location, I'm thinking Grand Theft Auto 5. And I'm thinking, I didn't actually have an idea. My initial thought was Simeon's dealership. We could do like Michael's house from Grand Theft Auto. I don't know, I want to do like some interior, so I feel like Simeon's dealership would be fun. I don't know, building the cars would be hard. You saw how hard it was to build one car. I think I'll go with Simeon's dealership. I think that's a good choice. What's going on? Oh, I gotta do the mission?
Now we all know why we're here.
Oh.
We've got to store it.
Alright, let's do
Frank,
this.
you're with me. Ricky, I hope you can manage the truck with the bikes. See you on Little Portola, people. Initials only from here on out. Alright, when the gas is in the ventilation system, give us the word.
Of her.
Well, I love her a lot. I wasn't thinking it was...
Think about it like this.
Skip!
Let's do this! Come on!
I'm on it!
Give me the money! I can't move. This game
Leave it
sucks.
till we hit the target. Come on!
Screw these rich pricks!
10, 9, 8,
Oh no, we gotta get out of here.
5, 4,
Let's get out.
3, 2,
Get out! Get out of my way!
1. Get out of there!
Get out of my way! Dude! I had to leave. The alarm was about to go off. And it says heist failed.
Following your plan. Okay. Maybe 3, 2, 1.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, we cleaned them out. Let's get out of here.
Don't show for the last time!
Who's this guy?
Get the fuck out my face! Oh.
You forget 1,000 things every day, pal.
Yeah, say it. Tell him, Michael. Let's get out of here.
Keep going through here. But I didn't know about the split up here. Don't leave me here. Come back.
Who's that?
Come back here.
I'm coming.
Where are you going? Regroup. There you are. Okay. I don't know where to go.
Oh, is this him?
You gotta hold on.
You lost? Man, you kidding me? Where'd Michael find you?
Hold on. Just hold on. Let's
What?
try this way.
Lester's waiting for us at the lockup.
Alright, we're finally in pre-mode. Let's go to Simeon's dealership. And let's take a look. Let's scout out the area. I believe it's over here. Alright, this is it. Can I go inside?
Hey, hey! It's Franklin! Get that traitor! I treated you like a son!
I'm like 1 tile long. What's this? Get out of here. Oh, I have all the weapons. I was playing with a mod called Chaos Mod. Stay back. This guy's got a gun. That was self-defense. There's a lot of detail on the inside. He made himself Employee of the Month. Let's hop into Payday 2 and take a look. Alright, what heist do we want to do? Let's take a look. You know what? I was thinking I was gonna do the bank, but I kind of want to do Go Bank. So let's hop on Go Bank. Buy contract. Normal. We're just gonna look around. So there's a mod that lets you fly out of your camera and view around, and I was gonna use that to view the bank or whatever I was building in Lego, but I couldn't get to install. I've installed mods in this game. I have all my mods installed, and I just couldn't do it. So I used another mod called No Damage, so I won't be damaged. I don't want to get banned. You can't get banned from Payday because it's a single player. Well, it's you can't get banned in here.
That red ladder will get you onto the roof.
I forgot a jammer.
Hey, watch where you're shooting.
Forgot a jammer. Oh, I gotta restart.
Watch your back. Hey, watch where you're shooting.
Alright, get down, everybody.
And stay put.
Watch for the cameras. Don't let them see
Oh, I
you.
gotta answer the pager.
It's all good. No problem whatsoever. Yeah, control.
Someone's running away. No, 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 no.
On the ground.
Yes, screw you.
You sure you want
Screw
to do
you.
that?
Okay, the plan is we're just gonna kill all the civilians,
That
kill all the
red ladder
guards,
that you want to-
open the vaults. Oh wait, but there's still phone calls, even if. Alright, everyone's dead. I'll just have to deal with the calls. Sorry if you don't understand anything about this game, but I love this game. It's climbing to be my #1 most played game on Steam. So we're gonna build this in Lego. We're gonna build this in Lego. We're gonna leave now. I'm gonna exit out and I'm gonna hop on the Lego builder.